Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to do another unboxing, and this time it's the Samsung Galaxy A41. So we have the Prism Crush Black with 64 gigabytes of storage and 4 gigabytes of RAM. Here we have the SIM injection tool and the paperwork. The quick start guide and the warranty card. Now, here is the phone itself. We have a triple camera setup here with a plastic back. The power button and the volume buttons are on the right side of the phone. On the left side is the SIM tray, while on the bottom we have the headphone jack, charging port, speaker and the microphone. Now, while the phone is turning on, let's take a look at the accessories on the box. We have a Type-C cable, which is Type-C on one side and Type-A on the other side. We have the headphones. These are the simple earphones from Samsung, not AKG. And we have an adaptive fast charging brick. Now this is 15-watt fast charger. Now, I have previously opened this phone and went straight to the menu. Now, for a quick size comparison, we have the A51 here, which is a little bit taller and a little bit wider than the A41. Yeah, a little bit wider and a little bit taller. Now we have the A01, which is almost the same size. Yeah, it's basically the same size as A01. And we have the A21S, which is bigger than the A51, to be honest, and is way too bigger from A41. Anyway, now let's take a look at this phone. We have a 1080p AMOLED display, which in my opinion is awesome. The bezels here on the sides, I mean, it's practically bezel-less on the side. We have a small chin here. We have small bezels on this phone. Now going to dark mode. Now let's see at software information. We have One UI version 2.1 with Android 10. Also, this phone has a battery of 3500 milliamps. You already know the memory. It's 4 gigabytes of RAM and 64 gigabytes of storage. While the camera, this is the rear video size. The maximum quality is 1080p with 30 frames per second. But here we have the maximum resolution on photography is 48 megapixels. So if you want to do a cool photo with this phone, you can with this 48 megapixel sensor. Now, in my opinion, this phone is the perfect size for a phone. A21S is way too bigger, and A51 is a little bit big, but this is the perfect size. I mean, look at the bezels here. It's awesome. I mean, this phone is perfect to watch some YouTube videos, to install social networks, etc. And also is very fast. I mean, for its price, it's perfect where it should be. Now, if we will experience some lag after 6 months of usage or so, we can always go into developer settings and reduce the animations. But we can do that after, because right now the phone is very fast. Now, storage available, we have 46.6 gigabytes, while 17.4 gigabytes are used from the phone. But we can always remove the apps we don't want. We can select all these apps and remove them, uninstall them. So, final thoughts about this phone. Like Flossie would say, this is a major go. So I totally recommend you buying this phone. In my opinion, this is a great price and what you get for the phone. This will cost you around 230 or 240 euros depending on where you live. If you get the bigger version with more gigabytes of storage, it will run you like 250 260 euros. But at this price point, it's great. I mean, it has an AMOLED display, it's the perfect size. So yeah, I totally recommend you get this phone. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.